Okay guys, we are almost finished. This is the speed controls soldered on the board. Not the best soldering, but it will work. Ball dampenings are installed. Motors and legs or landing gears. The main board is installed. Guys, it's very tiny piece. I love it. It's very small. I don't know how to deal with these small buttons. These are very tiny. Okay, almost we are finished. Just completing the build. It was very easy. Just I think 2 hours from starting. There is a problem. I don't know which one of these. No, it's not that. This one. Just little bit more quality control. As you can see, 3 holes are fully drilled and 1 is not completed. Okay, that's it. Other than that, the building is very easy. Don't forget to put a Loctite on the machine, just to more insurance. Okay, I will be right back with the final product, and then we will do a test and hope it goes correctly, or hope it will be fine. Okay, thanks guys.